Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, you know I'm always on the lookout for cool tools and platforms that can help you boost your business, save time, and get ahead of the game. Well, today I'm bringing something truly exciting to the table, AIBot Studio. Now, if you're into AI, automation, or even just looking for ways to improve your customer experience, then you're going to want to stick around for this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. AIBot Studio is all about making chatbot creation ridiculously simple and effective. If you've ever used a chatbot builder before, you know how overwhelming some platforms can be. All those endless options, complicated settings, and big learning curves. But AIBot Studio completely changes the game. It's designed to help you create a high-converting professional chatbot in just a couple of minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just minutes. So, how does it work? Well, first off, it's a super easy three-step process. You start by naming your chatbot and choosing your colors. Simple enough, right? But where it really gets interesting is in the second step. You get to train your bot by uploading PDFs, URLs, Q&A, or even entire websites. So, if you've got a bunch of content on your site or want your chatbot to pull from existing materials, you can do that in a snap. You can even pull in an assistant from the playground, basically a feature that allows you to build an assistant and bring it into AIBot Studio. How cool is that? And then, once your chatbot is all set up and ready to go, you can deploy it to multiple platforms with just one click. We're talking WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, you name it. No need to mess around with complicated integrations or huge mind maps like you'd see with some other tools. It's a one-click process. Just pick your platform and boom, your chatbot is live. This is seriously where AIBot Studio stands out because it takes a task that could normally take hours and condenses it into something so streamlined and efficient. Now, I know you're probably thinking, this sounds awesome, but is it actually going to perform? Well, let me tell you, the creators behind this platform really thought about how to make it as effective as possible. You get a beautifully designed interface that looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Plus, every chatbot you build comes with a public URL, so you can share it with your audience and track its performance. Everything is done with high conversion rates in mind. So you're not just getting a bot that looks good, you're getting one that actually works to help you close deals and engage with your audience. But here's where things get even more interesting. AIBot Studio isn't just a one-and-done type of deal. It's built to evolve. With AI and technology moving so fast, they've got a plan to keep the platform updated as new features roll out. That means as GPT updates, new tools are integrated into the studio. It's designed to be a platform that will grow with you and your business, which is huge in this fast-moving tech space. And there's something else that makes AIBot Studio a real winner: the community and support behind it. If you decide to dive in, there's a 3-day workshop where they'll teach you everything you need to know about building assistants and using the software to its fullest potential. The support team is there to help you every step of the way. Plus, they offer this cool branding with tumblers, hats, shirts. It's a whole experience. If you're someone who likes to go all in on a new tool, this is a fun and supportive way to do it. Now, as for pricing, it's worth mentioning that the platform offers a platinum deal for $67. Which includes all of these powerful features, plus access to those training resources. Considering how much time it can save you and how easy it makes the chatbot building process, this is a pretty solid deal in my opinion. AIBot Studio is one of those tools that really simplifies a complex task. If you've been hesitant about jumping into AI chatbots because of how complicated other platforms can be, then this is the one to try. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or even just someone who wants to create a more engaging online presence, AIBot Studio could be the tool that takes your marketing and customer engagement to the next level. I've been testing it out, and I'm pretty impressed by how easy it is to use while still offering a lot of power and functionality. If you're looking for something that makes it easy to get started with chatbots without getting bogged down in the technical details, AIBot Studio could be your perfect solution. That's all for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you've tried AIBot Studio or if you have any questions about the platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.